Hey, so I want to talk to you about a guide for small business owners, marketing professionals, and entrepreneurs in those three categories. One of the things that happens in managing or maintaining your website is that you're given the task of getting backlinks. And one of the ways to do that, perhaps the best way, at least in recent terms, has been to use backlinks. And understanding the goals with backlinks, I've got it in the Google document. If you're in the neighborhood of YouTube, look up the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. I've got them so you can get them. And this one talks about understanding the goals of guest blogging. And there's some do's and some don'ts. And this Google document, I think, does a great job, yours truly wrote it, in creating a bunch of the positives and the negatives about guest blogging. And done right, done often, you can do well with it. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.